Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn the use of RegisterForActivityResult API or function that is new added in the latest API, and that is also replacement of startActivityForResult. With the help of RegisterForActivityResult, we are going to load image from the gallery or from the Android image folder or any other folder to this image view. So whenever I will click on this button, the Android will open the images in the gallery or in the other folder, and if I click on that image will replace here. So I will do all the thing with the help of RegisterForActivityResult. That is also replacement of startActivityForResult in Android 11 and later on. So I have enabled view binding also, I have designed view binding also, I have designed the layout also. We have a button and an image, and if we see the name of these, so we have an image view and we have button load image. Now we go to this, and here we have to make a coding. For that, first of all, I need to create an object of, so I say load image, and I create register for activity result, and here I have to pass two arguments. First one is the request and second one is the output. So request is activity result contracts dot get content, like this, and we have to import this class like this, get content. Then second one is what we have to pass the activity callback, and here we will have the result. This is function. So here we will have a result. So this result will display the URI of the image, and that URI we will pass in the image view. Dot set image URI, we are passing here it. So this image will come here with the help of this start activity for result, the register for activity result, that is replacement of start activity for result. Now here we have to call the method also, the button also. So we are calling the button event set on click listener like this, and here we are calling this load image. Load image dot launch, and remember here we are passing image slash star. So I am giving a input in launch image slash star. So all the images from the mobile will come here, and I will select the image. That image will come here with the help of this output in it, and this will set to the image view. So I am running it. It's a very small example, and you can see the magic of register for activity result also, how it is beneficial as compared to start activity for result. Now I click on this. So you see this is image view is not displaying, but when I will click on this, it will open the images. This image is available in gallery, or I can go some other images also like this. I can go to SD card, and here for images or picture folder, and there is no image available here. So I can go to this also, and we can go to picture also. So these are the picture available. Whenever I click on any picture, any image, this image will load here. Once again I click there, and the second image is there. I click on this, and this image will be loaded. So similarly you can load any image from the gallery or some other folder with the help of this register for activity result. That is also the replacement of start activity for result. So it was the use of this register for activity result to load the image from the gallery. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching my video.